Head over to Storm Team forecaster Brian Gotter right now for a look ahead at what we can experience here over the weekend. Rest of today is good, right?
Rest of today is just fine. Now, you might see a few flurries falling later this afternoon, but no accumulating snow here until well after midnight tonight. And then the bulk of the accumulation starts sometime around 6 a.m. tomorrow up until around noon or 1 o'clock. So this is mainly a morning and early afternoon event for tomorrow. But the snow is close. This is why they're under the warning. They're already seeing the snow, and they will throughout the rest of the day. Everything is kind of staying south except for the cloud cover starting to inch back in here. But later this evening and overnight tonight, it starts to move northward and fill in a little bit, and that's why we now have a warning and a winter weather advisory. To the graphics we'll go. We'll show you for you. We'll break it down. Fond du Lac, the only county clear right now. The winter weather advisory for everyone else in the blue shade from 3 a.m. until 6 p.m. And then Kenosha County, and then points to the south from Gurnee to Chicago to Gary, Indiana, under the winter storm warning from midnight until 6 p.m. They're already seeing the snow to the south of us. It will take a little bit while to get that snow here after midnight tonight. Once again, you could see a few flurries. A lot of colors on the map, but that's because this is a very condensed storm, and literally 20-mile difference means a whole different snow total. 1 to 2, possibly 3 inches of snow, Fond du Lac, Sheboygan, northwestern Dodge. 3 to 4 for a big chunk of southeastern Wisconsin, including just north of Milwaukee to Waukesha, south side of Milwaukee. Could pick up 4 to 5 inches of snow. Racine about 6 inches of snow, and then Kenosha, pretty much all of Kenosha County, about 6 inches plus, maybe up to around 7 inches of snow because you're closer to that bullseye, which happens to be Chicago. They'll pick up about 10 inches of snow. If you had plans to go down there to do some shopping tomorrow or just see the museums, I'd hold off. Chicago is the bullseye. So from this evening until midnight, flurries from midnight to 6 a.m., less than an inch. Then from 6 a.m. to noon, that's when the bulk of the accumulation occurs, 2 to 3 inches from noon, and then until 6 p.m., maybe another inch. Total accumulation around the Milwaukee metro area, about 3 to 5 inches of snow. It was cold this morning to the north. We were warm, though, at 13, 6 below in Wausau, 11 below in Eau Claire. Kind of a hazy sky, sun-cloud mix as those clouds are starting to fill in with that storm system to our south. We're at 16 degrees. You can see in Kenosha, they're closer to the epicenter of this storm. No snow falling there, but they are cloudy, and you will see some light snow developing later this evening and overnight tonight. Right now, it's 5 in Fond du Lac. The warmer spot, though, is Kenosha at 17, 10 in Waukesha, and 7 in Watertown. Wind chills in the single digits above and below 0, except for Fond du Lac at 12 below. So still some cold air out there across southeastern Wisconsin. Lows tonight will be in the single digits. Will be 2 in Fond du Lac, 8 in Milwaukee, 7 in Lake Geneva. The wind, at least, that's the good news with this storm, is light. So we're not going to have nasty wind chills, and we won't have blowing and drifting snow issues. Tomorrow, northeast winds at 5 to 10. Teens to the north, mid-20s to the south. And it will be heavier snow as you travel to the south, as well as that storm system basically tracking through central Illinois and Indiana. 17 degrees today, clouds, some flurries later this afternoon, less than an inch of snow overnight tonight by sunrise, a low of 8 degrees. And as I mentioned earlier, the heaviest of the snow from about 7 a.m. until 1 in the afternoon. 23 degrees on Saturday, blustery on Sunday at 12 degrees, and we're watching another big storm system for Tuesday into Wednesday. Vinny, where are we moving to? This kid.
Anywhere else.
We're back after this. We love it here. We're not leaving.